Now, you get a little tour of the Circle B Bar Nature Preserve. These beautiful, amazing oak trees. Amazing canopy of oak trees. The Circle B Bar Ranch. This used to be a cattle ranch. And it was given to the county. And it is one of the most amazing wildlife preserves that I've ever seen in America. The Circle B Bar Nature Reserve is a place where a lot of bird spotting people get to see all kinds of special birds. And there's turtles, and there's wild pigs, and there's alligators, of course, and lots of trails and beautiful vistas. This is a favorite place for wedding parties to come and take pictures, because the background with the beautiful trees and the canopies and all the greenery is very nice atmosphere for portraits. Yes. Dum dee dum pum pum, bee buddy da da. Lots and lots of people with big telephoto lenses taking pictures of little owl nests and things. Lots and lots of trails. The Circle B Bar Nature Reserve. And in this location, there's a bunch of nice picnic tables that have covers over them, because it does start to pour rain in Florida from time to time. Picnic tables with covers and a place to relax. And the Nature Center has an amazing library, an outstanding, remarkable library. Oh my gosh, lots of cars here. Today is Friday. Man, it's super busy. Super busy. Dun dee da ba da ba da bum. And here is the picnic tables and a parking spot. Oh, there's a motorcycle there. Okay. The picnic tables at the Circle B Bar. Yay.